Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today I would like to show you a project I've been busy with last week. It's another journal and I decided to make another one with a nature theme, a botanical theme if you like, and I used again the beautiful designs from Vectoria Design. I will put a link below, then you can see for yourself what beautiful things they make. This is the album. For the front and the back and the spine I used chipboard, and for this one I again used the corset binding. I think it's a very pretty binding and very easy to make also. It's a bit of work making all these holes and eyelets, but I think the result always is very pretty. I got the idea from Bohemian Crafting. I saw her doing it with a journal and I tried it for myself, and I must say I really like it. And yeah, you can check her channel as well. Bohemian Crafting has beautiful things also. So the journal, for the front and cover, for the front and back cover, I used some of the designs. It's made from chipboard, very sturdy, and for the binding I used some lace, which I bought together with my daughter in a city called Gouda, with on the brocante market, from a very nice man who sells this for €1 for a meter of free, so very cheap. The inside. On the inside cover I used again one of the designs, and then I all used coffee dyed paper and some colored papers. And for this album I made some beautiful collages. You will see that in a minute. And I start off with this. I put it loose so it can be used or cannot be used. And I did that with a typewriter. I'm a secretary, but I have a very old typewriter from the years that I had to learn to write on such a machine. Nowadays it's not even thinkable doing that on a machine, but if you want to put something on a tag or so, it's very convenient because you can put it in the machine and put it on the place where you want it and type it, and that's something you cannot do with the computer. So it has advantages. Here, another from the beautiful designs. Here I made a library card with a picture I had in my stash. I used things that are lying here for weeks, months. And so every time I start with a project I look in every drawer and box, what do I have and what can I use. So here is the first collage. It says grateful, and it has a library card in it and some ephemera. That's also from Vectoria Designs, from the same kit, and that goes back in. And for this I used pages from a French book which I bought on a very small market in France, in the Alsace. We were there on a holiday last summer, and I bought 2 beautiful books and I used more pages, so you will see more. And this is from an image Fassikat, I believe you say it in English. Then here is a page from a book about flowers with the explanation in Dutch. Here another card you can write on, and this is the second collage. It says imagine, with a tag from the kit from Vectoria Design and some ephemera in it. And here also a page from that same book. Here I have made a pocket with some ephemera and a tag. Another page from the kit, and this is one of the pages from that French book. Beautiful French book. It's very, very big. I can take it. So this is the one, and I bought two of those, part 1, part 2, and when I use the pages, I think I'm going to use the book. Look, it's gorgeous. Very happy with this. Then here I made, this is design paper, and I made a pocket out of it, and this is from the Vectoria Design kit. Beautiful pages, beautiful images. Here another tag, a pocket, and it says beautiful. This is a picture I got somewhere else. I don't know where exactly anymore. Here I made a pocket with some ephemera in it, and this goes up, and here you can write a secret note or something like that. Here it's a little bit shiny paper. I bought that in a local store here in the Netherlands, the Action, and they had a whole package, and it's called fancy paper, and it has thick and thin paper in it, so lots and lots of stuff you can use. And it was only €1, so that's hardly nothing. Here another design page. Here I made a tag, and that says explore. So I used some of the lace, some of the design papers, book papers, and made it into a beautiful tag. And this comes from an old, how could you call that, agenda from my husband. Here we have a pocket with some ephemera, and this says believe, and this goes up and this goes down, so you can write on it. And that goes back. I saw that idea from Yvonne Preston, so it's not my own idea, but I used it. Here another page from the book. Here is a tag I got. I don't know where I got that, forgot. Here I made a double pocket, and in the last pocket I put some ephemera in it to write or to journal on. That comes from a kit, I believe, the Old Design Shop. Here I have a library card, and this one says memories, and behind it we're with one of the designs of Vectoria. Here is another page from the packet. It has a little bit of structure in it. I kind of liked it. Here you can put something on if you like. Here another page. Here I made a pocket from one of the pages, and inside I have some things. Oops, some cards and stuff that can be used while using the journal. So that is a little bit of extra, and when it's empty you can put your own stuff in it. So here another of the beautiful pages. Here I've made a library card with a tag on it, so you can write a little note on that. Another from the beautiful pages. Here I made a belly band and called it Friendship, and it has ephemera behind it. And this I may cut out a flower, and I use some music paper and called it Friendship. Here a book page with explanation. Here is a pocket with, this picture is also, where did I get that? I think it's a freebie from the Graphics Fairy. It's very pretty. Here I made a side pocket, and this one is called Faithful. And here I put a library card with a small picture on it and some ephemera. And this comes from Taylor Made Journals, if I'm not mistaken. She also has beautiful kits, so you must check her out as well. I do this like this. And then another from those beautiful pages, and a book page from France. France is a beautiful country. I like to go there. This is a flower I cut out. Here I made a small booklet, and this one I call Dream, with music paper, a little note card. Here I made a pocket. This one I call Trust, and this is a piece of the agenda from my husband. And here I made a teeny little booklet to write some little things in, or put in very, very small photos. It's just a little bit extra. And that goes in the pocket here. And this closes. Then here another book page, and I turn it into a pocket. And another from the shiny papers. Here another page from Vectoria. Beautiful, beautiful kit is it. And here another one like this, with behind a tag and some ephemera. This one I called Hope, and it goes open like this and closes like that. And this goes behind it. So you see there's lots of room for writing and lots of pretty stuff in it as well. Here a small tag, and this one I called Happy. And behind it you can write on. Here another double pocket with ephemera behind it. And this is a library card you can write on. And this one I called Discover, with Vectoria Design paper, music paper, a tag and some lace. So that goes in there. And a little one, the structure paper again. And here another from another page. And on the back I put this page. I decided not to make pockets here again, because there are pockets enough, I think. And that was the journal. It was very fun, very much fun to make a journal again. I like that more than making a mini album, although I like that too, but a journal gives a little bit more of freedom, I think. And yeah, I like it how it's turned out. And I hope you guys like it as well. Now I'm going to think what I'm going to make for now. But this, yeah, I hope you like it. Give us a comment or give us a thumb up. And yeah, I'm going to craft more, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.